नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे IEX शेयर इन फोकस ahead of APTEL hearing on market coupling case. Indian Energy Exchange IEX shares are under security as the Electricity Appellate Tribunal hears the agreements on the market coupling. Shares of Indian Energy Exchange will be an investor rather on Friday, January 9, as the Electricity Appellate Tribunal is set to hear the next round of agreement in the high-stake market coupling case. The hearing was earlier postponed after the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission (CERC) told the tribunal it was willing to take direction regarding the withdrawal of its continuous July 23. The original order had introduced a market coupling mechanism, a structural reform that could potentially alter how electricity prices are discovered across power exchanges following the announcement in July 2025. IEX share had plunged sharply in a single session as the move was seen as the diluting the company's dominance in the price discovery, liquidity, and the trading volume. Currently, IEX hold on commanding the 85% market share in the spot power market, however, market coupling threatened to the redistribute volume more even across exchanges which could challenge IEX market leadership. The tribunal had previously raised question after the rule making the process, flagging concern over the transparency, independence, and the institutional conduct in the CERC approach to the forming the rule. APTEL had described the process as involving too much theatrics, suggesting it lacked the datasequence expected from an independent statutory regulator. The tribunal had emphasized that CERC must maintain the institutional distance and act above the suspicion, especially when decisions affect broader market dynamics. While the final outcome of the case remains pending, APTEL comment and the regulator willing to reconsider it is the position of the viewed investor statement.